Hi everyone, this is Miss M. Today is Friday, February 14th, 2020. Today we're going to do a fraction games for third grade. So first, I have a paper here. So this I already fold into four, 1, 2, 3, 4, and I wrote the halves means half, thirds, fourth, 8. So and we have this one is, we pretend this is the numerator, and the red is numerator, and the purple is denominator. So we're gonna play a games with my daughter. Okay, are you ready, Jennifer? Okay, Jennifer. Okay, can you okay, Jennifer. Oh, it's already the one in third. One in third. One in third. Okay, good job. Very good, Jennifer. Now one in fourth. One in fourth. One. So this is the numerator. And also the denominator. So 1, 2, 3, 4. So we count all of them is 4 equal. Okay. Next, Jennifer. 1 in 8. 1 in 8. Can you 1 in 8? Okay, so let me check if you're right. Okay, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Good job. That's good. And next, 4 and 4. Okay, can you write it? Good. Okay, can you put it? 4 and 4. See, okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. So one whole, right? It means it's one whole. So 4 and 4 is equals to 1 whole. And okay, next, 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Can you write in the paper, Jennifer, over there? In the orange. Write on the orange. 7 and 8. 7 and 8. Okay. Can you put the numerator? 7 and 8 numerator. Can you put the numerator? Numerator is 7, right? Numerator is 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. I'm helping you. 7 and then 8. Okay, 7 and 8. Good. And next, 1 in 1 half. Where's 1 half? You can write it, Genevieve. 1 in half. Okay. Jeff and half. Good. And next is third and fourth. Third and fourth. Third and fourth. Third and fourth. Okay, so put the numerator. 1, 2, 3. Very good. So numerator the red and the denominator is the purple. So we have to go 1, 2, 3, and then 4. 1, 2, 3, and then 4. Okay, 34. Alright. Okay, so I think we all know the fraction. It's actually easy, right? If you do this kind of games, it's easy to understand. So I hope you liked it, and please don't forget to views, likes, and subscribe. Thank you very much, and God bless you all.